How'd you do your shirt?
Pull your shirt back so. Pull your shirt back so.
Let's go. Ready? Follow me down the street. Oh shit. Stop camera. Oh, I'm on a roll.
Oh, look at him go. Oh shit.
Me. Parkour, rocks. Fuck.
We're just that loose. Just that loose.
Didn't wear pants, even though Mum said so.
She told me that I wouldn't get dinner if I did.
She said, I'm not going to feed you if you leave the house without pants on.
But
oh, we did.
we did. We're just that loose.
Loose.
Fuck.
What of it?
You know what? Let's go take some pictures with our shoes on. Yeah.
Oh, fucking. See that? Usually girls do it with their shoes on. But fuck, we're so loose.
We're too loose. So loose.
Yeah. Fuck. Got told not to have a beer during the day.
I'll get in the fridge.
So I won't.
Put it in the fridge and shut it. See what happens when it shuts. Lights, bro.
Never seen what happens. What it's like in the fridge without the lights on.
We didn't, but we just experimented. Science, bitch. We're still not wearing.
We're still not wearing pants.
Yeah, we should put those on. Because otherwise, Mum will get pissed. Like.
Dude, don't tell my mum.
Yeah, don't.